Mazda has earned a reputation for building exceptionally safe vehicles that reflect a combination of sophisticated structures, advanced safety technologies, and confidence-inspiring handling characteristics. That last one is extremely important because we strongly believe that one of the most important safety features in any vehicle is an engaged driver. It's why our technologies are meant to complement the driver's connection to the vehicle rather than replace them. CX-90 possesses one of the largest suite of safety features on a Mazda vehicle. It combines a robust structure with a range of active and passive safety technologies, as well as our human-centric design approach. The objective is to protect both those inside and outside of the vehicle. Mazda's suite of iActive Sense safety technologies is engineered to keep you in tune with your environment, alert you to hazards, and help you avoid collisions to provide confidence and driving enjoyment. It's also about minimizing distraction and providing clear communication to the driver so that you are aware of what's going on in and around your vehicle. Ultimately, effortless, joyful driving is enhanced when reliable, trustworthy safety measures are in place. But the best way to fully appreciate what we've accomplished with CX-90 is to visit your local Mazda retailer and explore it yourself.